Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so ecstatic about today's video because I know that many of you have been looking for ideas and for inspiration on how to decorate your home for fall, and so that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you today, along with my top 3 tips on how to decorate your home luxuriously for less. In addition to that, I'm going to throw in a bonus tip on how you can incorporate like your holiday decor for fall and for Christmas and other holidays throughout the year without having to change the entire color scheme at your home. So before we go any further, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Jam City for sponsoring this video. They have a brand new video game called Vineyard Valley that is centered around home decor, home design, and all of those wonderful things that we absolutely love. And I often wondered how my husband, who is a huge gamer, by the way, got so obsessed with a lot of the video games that he was playing. But after playing this one, like, I can certainly see why, because it's like the perfect mixture of like home design, budgeting, you know, doing all the things that we love, but then it has like a very healthy dose of reality as well, because like Chef Rawl, who is one of the characters in this video game, like, we're trying to figure out what's happened to him, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit more because like I don't want to give everything away, but I definitely will talk to you guys a little bit more about that later. But before I hop into the first tip, I just want to remind you guys that if you're interested in playing this a super fun game, I will leave the link down in the description box below. It is jamcity.me/Melanie Turner. Once again, it's jamcity.me/Melanie Turner. So my first tip that I want to share today is to take time to find the pieces that you love. You guys have seen me decorate a plethora of spaces over the years in my home, in my friend's home. I mean, I have done a ton of makeovers, but one of the things that I do is that I take time to find the pieces that I love, if it's for my space or if it's for someone else's space. The excitement for decorating your space can often lead to impulse buys in order just to fill that void or to fill that area that you know needs that perfect something, but oftentimes those pieces are discarded because you never loved them in the beginning. It's like, oh my gosh, I never really loved this. I just bought it because it looked great in that space. And then once you find that perfect piece, you discard that other piece, thus wasting money. And so you can definitely take the money, set the money to the side. Like if you almost buy something, take that $30 you would have bought, save that, and just keep adding on until you find the pieces that you love. Waiting is such a beautiful thing because it always leads to you finding exactly what you need in love and in life. So I actually just found the perfect rug for our living room space, and I'm going to be sharing a complete makeover with you guys very soon. But I'm telling you guys, it will help you find, just being patient will help you find those perfect pieces. When I was designing this space, I knew that I wanted the accent room to be yellow, and finding a yellow pillow was so tough. But we looked week after week after week until we found that perfect pillow, and I actually found it. It was only like $2 or $3. It was very inexpensive, and it fit perfectly in this space. So I can say with confidence and with boldness that it is worth the wait when you are decorating your space luxuriously for less. Which brings me to my next point, and that is to play the vision and make it plain. I know I said play the vision instead of write it, but in this case, playing can certainly prepare you for sourcing and curating the perfect pieces for your home and for your style. Now, when I initially started playing this game, you guys know I'm not like that big of a gamer, but my husband certainly is. And I can like recall him playing a basketball game and the player getting drafted and they had to go to practice. And I'm like, wait a minute, this is like the soap opera / reality TV mixed in with the game. Like, I can dig that. And so when I found this this game, I could definitely relate to it because there were a couple of the characters that I could identify with. Number one, it was Simone. She was like really youthful, very nice and friendly and relatable. And she was like a huge like go-getter. Like she wanted dreams and she had desires, and like that is like my spirit, right? And then also Aunt Margaret, and she's very knowledgeable and very caring, and she can get a little bit nervous at times, but she definitely has great stories. So I felt like I had the spirit of Simone and the heart of Margaret, right? And then in addition to Simone having all these things going on, girl, she's trying to figure out what happened to her dad, who is Raw, and then she's gotten herself in a love triangle, honey, with Wes and Kai, and she just doesn't really realize what she doesn't know what she wants. It's a love triangle going on, so I'm trying to figure out what's going to happen with all this. So with that being said, like, this game has been very fun, and it's been a great way for me to kind of escape from reality and do the things and incorporate the things that I absolutely love, which is design, which is people, which is, you know, going after your dreams and your passions and all of those great things. So again, I will leave that link down below in the description box, jamcity.me/Melanie Turner. So if you guys download this game and then you enjoy it, be sure to go over to my Facebook page and let me know how much you are enjoying this game. And I almost forgot to add the fact that in this game, like, you can play different games to earn points to buy new things. And one of the things that I found the most relatable is that you often get 3 options. So like if you needed to replace a cabinet in the kitchen or redo the counter, it gives you like a free option, a middle option, and a luxury option. And I absolutely love that because it really relates to real life, and it helps you to think through things as you're renovating or redecorating a space in your home. You know, there are sometimes you can take something you already have, you can paint that thing, you can redo it so that it will fit exactly, you know, it'll fit your budget, and then it'll free up money for something you may want, like a higher class or a better quality item. So you have that money freed up to do that thing as well. So I just thought that was really relatable, and it will definitely assist you in thinking out any plans that you have for renovating or decorating or redoing any area in your home. And so one tip that I'd like to offer here that's not a part of the numbers is that when you're decorating your home for fall and for Christmas is to try to pick out things that are in the color scheme that already match with your home. Like right now there are so many stores that have a plethora of like pumpkins and things like that that are in different colors, so you're not limited to the traditional fall colors or the traditional Christmas colors. And that's one way you can save more money because you don't have to go out and buy new accents just to match your decor. You buy your decor to accent what you already have. And last but not least is certainly one of my bedrock principles, and that is to always shop off season. I cannot wait to share this patio upgrade with you guys. It is definitely the perfect time to buy patio furniture now. I know that for us here in the South, it is just now cooling down to the point you could actually breathe while sitting out on the patio. So yes, now's the perfect time to buy patio furniture. So I get to do a lot of different things, a lot of different activities by shopping off season. It really saves you a ton of money. So if you guys would like for me to like give you a list of things that like the perfect time to buy those things off season to decorate your home, like of course Christmas decor, the perfect time to buy that is actually around New Year's. And so patio, the perfect time to buy that is in the fall, and you know, the list goes on. So if you guys would love for me to do a video like that, please leave me a comment down below and I will definitely put together something for you guys as a shopping guide. Last year I also did a fall movie night. It turned out absolutely amazing, and I am thinking about doing something very similar this year. And if you haven't seen that video, I will leave the link down in the description box below. enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you my top 3 tips on decorating and living everyday life luxuriously for less. Don't forget to download the game. The link will be down below. Again, that's jamcity.me/Melanie Turner. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!